All right, it's Tuesday. Rhyme recognition. I'll say it, you repeat it. Thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Dry my. Thumbs up. Here, cheer. Thumbs up. Lid, tab. Nope, lid, tab do not rhyme. Now, to. Do not rhyme. Jump, bump. Yep, good job. Onset fluency. I'll say it, you say it, and tell me what sounds they start with. Jeep, jog. J. Salt, sort. S. North, nap. Fence, far. F. Mail, may. Good. Okay, we'll blend our phonemes. B, a, bay. Your turn. W, a, way. P, a, pay. M, a, may. O, a, lay. Good job. All of those words rhymed. They all ended with the A sound. Okay, now we're going to isolate our medial sound. H, at. A. W, et. E. L, ick. I. H, op. A. B, ug. Good. Segmenting, get out your choppers. Pi, p, I. Y, w, I. Tie, t, I. By, b, I. High, h, I. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to add a phoneme. This one's going to go on at the beginning. So we have oo at the end, add g at the beginning, and the word is g, oo, goo. We have I, add h at the beginning, and the word is hi. We have a, add w at the beginning, and the word is way. We have e, add b at the beginning, and the word is bee. We have o, add at the beginning, and the word is o, mo. Good. Now I'm going to delete, take part of the word away. We, without w, what's left? E. My, without what's left? I. Toe, without t, what's left? O. You, without y, what's left? Oo. Lay, without ul, what's left? A. Good job, almost done. Okay, we're going to substitute. We have the word my, change to b. What do we have? B, I, buy. We have the word by, change b to ul. What do we have? Lie. We have the word lie, change ul to t. What do we have? Tie. We have the word tie, change t to s. What do we have? Sigh. Good job. Okay, this was a fun one. I think you guys all remember this. 3 blind mice. Okay, I'll say it. You repeat after me. 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a butcher knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as 3 blind mice? It was a long one, but a funny one. I'll see you tomorrow.